start out, we're going to use white face paint to frame the face. You can pick up this white face paint from any store like Big W, Wayne's World, any cheap shops, Spotlight, Party Hut, that sort of thing. Just apply it with a paintbrush or a brush like I'm using, a sponge or your fingers. We just want the white to really frame the face. Now we're going to add 2 diagonal stripes on the forehead, the colour depending on the team they're on. So red for medical, yellow for systems, green for science. You can use these colours from face paint or an eyeshadow palette. It can be really simple. To finish this look, we're going to outline their stripes with a black eyeliner or black face paint.